I am continually amazed at the scale and sophistication of our cloud infrastructure. But I think we all know where the real magic happens. The real magic happens when individuals come together in a team to do big things. And that is where G Suite comes in. Now, yesterday you heard from my colleague, Prabhakar, and he talked to you about G Suite and how we're bringing together all the apps you love, like Gmail and Calendar, Google Drive, Docs, Hangouts, and others. And in combination, they give you secure, smart, and simple collaboration in the cloud. I joined Google over 6 years ago to work on G Suite. And in all that time, I haven't seen this kind of momentum. Since last year, we've added 1 million new businesses to G Suite. And the momentum we're seeing is across the globe and across companies of all sizes.